The Earth is a home to a variety of plants and animals. Like plants, even the animals found on this planet are very diverse in nature. Habitat: the place where an animal grows or is found naturally is called its habitat. There are 5 main habitats on the Earth. These are forest, desert, polar region, ocean, and freshwater. Forest. A forest is a vast region that is covered by trees and different varieties of plants. It provides shelter to animals like lion, tiger, deer, fox, and monkey, which live on land and trees. It also gives shelter to animals like hare, rat, and snake that live inside burrows. Small animals and insects are also found in a forest. Desert. A desert is a sandy and dry region as it receives very little rainfall. It is usually hot during the day and cold at night. Many desert animals have a thick skin that helps them to avoid water loss through sweating. Many others hide in their burrows to escape the heat. Some animals can even store water and food in their body. Examples of desert animals are camel, scorpion, and desert tortoise. Polar region. The regions near the north and south poles on the Earth are called polar regions. The North Pole is named Arctic and the South Pole is called Antarctica. They are always covered with ice and snow. The high altitude mountains are also covered with snow all round the year. The animals found here have bodies covered with fur. Most of the animals have a thick layer of fat beneath the fur which keeps them warm. Many animals live in groups to protect themselves from the cold. Penguin, polar bear, seal, and Arctic fox are some examples of animals found in polar regions. Ocean. An ocean is a vast and continuous body of saline water. It is the largest habitat on the Earth. A large variety of animals are found here. Some of them are whale, dolphin, seal, seahorse, and octopus. These animals are well adapted to live in salty water. Freshwater. Freshwater is naturally occurring water on the Earth's surface. It contains minimal quantities of dissolved salts. Some examples of freshwater habitat are ponds, lakes, rivers, streams, etc. This kind of habitat gives shelter to numerous animals like fish, frog, salamander, toad, duck, swan, crane, and a number of insects. Body covering. In order to adjust to the different kinds of environmental conditions of the habitat, animals have different types of body coverings. The body of birds is primarily covered with feathers. Feathers keep them warm and protect them from moisture. They also help birds in flying. Another type of body covering is fur. Animals like yak, bear, and sheep have fur on their body. It helps to keep the animal warm by protecting it against rain and cold. Animals like snake, lizard, and some fish have a layer of dry and overlapping scales. These scales protect the underneath skin and also prevent loss of water in some animals. Another commonly found body covering is shell. It is very hard and strong. Shells can be seen in land and ocean animals like turtle, tortoise, and snail. These animals draw their head and feet into the shell and hide to protect themselves from their enemies. Feeding habits. Feeding habits differ from animal to animal. There are 3 main classes in which animals can be classified on the basis of their eating habits. These are herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Herbivores are the animals that eat only plants. They have sharp front teeth called incisors for biting and broad teeth called molars and premolars for chewing food. Cow, goat, deer, and giraffe are some herbivores. Carnivores like lion, tiger, cat, and fox are those animals which feed on the flesh of other animals. Such animals have sharp and pointed front teeth, canines, that help them to tear flesh. They have strong molars for chewing the flesh and bones. Scavengers like vulture, hyena, and wolf are special types of carnivores that feed on dead or decaying animals. They have an important role in maintaining a balance in nature by preventing accumulation of dead bodies of animals. Omnivores are those organisms that eat both animals and plants. Examples of omnivores include man, bear, crow, and squirrel. Breathing organs in animals. Breathing is an important process for all living things. During breathing, oxygen is inhaled and carbon dioxide is exhaled. The intake of oxygen helps to break down the food and release energy, which is required for various activities. Different animals have different breathing organs. Insects exchange the gases through small openings on their body surface known as spiracles. Gill is a breathing organ found in almost all aquatic animals like fish, crab, tadpole, prawn, etc. Gills help these animals to absorb oxygen dissolved in water. Other animals like reptiles, birds, and mammals breathe through their lungs. The function of the lungs is to transport oxygen, which is inhaled through the nose, to the blood and to release carbon dioxide from the blood. Animals like frog and toad that spend part of their life underwater and part of it on land are called amphibians. These animals live in water and breathe through gills. As adults, they breathe through lungs on land and moist skin in water. Movement in animals. The movement in animals from place to place is known as locomotion. It helps them to obtain food and get shelter to protect them from danger of predators or natural calamities. Insects can move in various ways. They can walk, jump, fly, hop, or crawl. Butterflies and mosquitoes have 1 or 2 pairs of wings that help to fly. Similarly, ants and cockroaches walk. Aquatic insects like back swimmer and water boatman use their hind legs to swim. Reptiles like lizard, snake, and crocodile use various forms of locomotion to move from place to place. Some of them have legs, and some use scaly skin to move by crawling. Tortoise and crocodile have legs and move about using them. A snake uses scales present on the underside of its body to move. Birds can hop or walk on land, swim in water, and fly in air. The forelimbs of a bird are modified in the form of wings that help them to fly. Crow, sparrow, eagle are common birds that fly in the sky. Some birds like ostrich and emu are called flightless birds because they have heavy bodies and weak wings and cannot fly. Birds use their hind limbs to walk, run, catch prey, and even attack their enemies. Birds like duck, swan, etc. also swim in water due to their webbed feet. Terrestrial animals like lion, tiger, elephant, and many others have 2 pairs of limbs. Most animals use all the 4 limbs to walk, run, and for other movements. Aquatic animals like turtles use their limbs to swim. Frogs use their webbed feet to swim, while they use their long hind legs to hop on land. Fish have fins to move in water. Migration. Migration is defined as the movement of an animal from one region to another in response to changes in weather, habitat, or availability of food. Animals migrate because the conditions in their habitat become adverse to support natural calamities like earthquakes, droughts, or floods. Birds migrate twice in a year during spring and autumn. The birds that migrate are called migratory birds, while the ones that do not migrate are called resident birds. The main reason behind their migration is to escape cold weather conditions and to find food. The Arctic tern nests near the North Pole in summer and flies all the way to Antarctica in autumn to escape harsh cold weather conditions. Some other animals like caribou, elk, some bats, whales, etc. too migrate in search of food. Among insects, butterflies and moths also migrate. Monarch butterfly migrates from Canada to Mexico in winter.